Have you ever used ChatGPT or any other LLM and it just doesn't give you exactly what you want? In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a master of prompt engineering and get the full potential of AI.
This is a free full template structure for optimized prompts. I'm going to give you that for absolutely free down in the description. You can just open it and revision it anytime you want. First of all, we need to define a clear and advantageous role for the LLM. This helps the LLM to focus and perform better by understanding its specific function within the prompt. This is very basic engineering. I'm sure you heard of this before, and you probably do it right now. An example of it is you are an expert marketing consultant specializing in social media strategy for small businesses. The placeholder is you just copy that and just put what you want here, which is you are an expert at insert any area of expertise, specializing in expert any specific task, which is the task you actually wanted to do. And in this field is the task field, which is state the specific task you want the LLM to perform. Start with a clear verb and be descriptive. I'm sorry, while remaining concise. Example, generate three engaging and informative tweets for prompting the benefits of using AI for social media marketing for small businesses. And here you can put and this is a tip, by the way, this is a very good tip and very beneficial tip that you can use in your prompts right now, today, which is uh, in the task structure, you put the chain of thought, which is a thing you can put in the more complex outputs. You put it to kind of guide the LLM to what type of task you actually want. So break down the task into step-by-step instructions, especially for complex tasks. This helps guide the LLM's reasoning process. So, for example, you start with a captivating hook about the challenges of social media marketing for small businesses, introduce AI as a solution to these challenges, highlight three key benefits of using AI, such as saving time, increasing reach, and improving content quality, and with a call action encouraging small businesses to learn more about AI for social media marketing. So just uh, break down the steps one by one and put it in a 1, 2, 3, 4 structure. So the placeholder is very easy. Just put one, step one, two, step two, three, step three, and whatever steps you want your task to be in. So here in the specific structure, we put include additional bullet points that provide essential details for the task execution. This section clarifies instructions and reinforces specific requirements. So for example, each tweet should be under 28 characters, user-friendly and conversational tone, and include relevant hashtags. Placeholders is very simple. Bullet point specific requirement one, bullet point specific requirement two. So this is an extra tip to put in this structure, which is going to be integrate phrases that express the importance and value of the task. By emphasizing the significance of the task, you can encourage the LLM to engage in more thorough and deliberate processing. Now, I know it sounds stupid, but the it sounds that the LLM has actual emotions, but when you tell the LLM that this thing will actually help you a lot and you are very appreciative of what he does, the LLM actually gives you better results in return. So, for example, you could put this task is critical to helping small businesses succeed in the competitive world of social media, and I truly appreciate your expertise and insights in crafting these tweets. So the placeholder is also very simple. A phrase highlighting the importance of the task, and a phrase expressing appreciation of doing the task. So, and here in the context structure, provide background information about the business, the system the LLM is operating within, and the impact of the task. This helps the LLM understand the broader context and purpose of this action. So here you put the context of which the LLM is in. So, for example, our company helps small business leverage the power of AI for their marketing efforts, and these tweets will be used in social media campaigns targeting small business owners interested in growing their online presence. and by creating compelling tweets, you'll contribute to our mission of empowering small businesses to thrive in the digital age. So here you put what the output is actually going to be in, and what does it actually do, and how important it is. Uh, Here you put it into context. The more context you give it, the better results you're gonna receive, and the more it's gonna be aligned with what you want. So the placeholders is also very simple. Information about the business, which is like what you actually do, and information about the system, and here is information about what is going to be used in the system and the impact of the task, which is here is contribute to our mission of empowering small business owners to thrive in that digital age. So this is the impact of what the output is actually going to give. Now, in the example structure, we put a few shot prompting. So this is very important to guide the LLM, in which he gets some kind of an input and which output he should actually give in return. So this is very good. Uh, if you have multiple inputs in the same prompt, but if you don't, you don't do that because you're not gonna even use it anyways. But you can put examples of the output you wanna get in return. So here you provide a few input-output pairs to demonstrate the desired output format and style. Even one example can significantly improve the LLM's performance. Aim for 3 to 5 well-crafted examples. So example, in the example, input, write a tweet highlighting the time-saving benefits of AI for social media, which is the prompt you're gonna put in or the input you're gonna put in, and the output is tired of spending hours scheduling social media posts. Let AI do the heavy lifting. Free up your time to focus on what matters most. Growing your business, AI, hashtag social media marketing. The placeholder is very simple. The input, you put example on the input, and output, you put example on the output. Now, here in the last structure, and this is your last chance to actually give the LLM information about what output you want, and this is the best place to remind the LLM of things you've said in the midsection and just put it in the last. Why? Because the LLM actually focuses more on the first section and the last section, and in the midsection, it just reads it through. It just doesn't focus so much on it, and here you reminded of the things that are essential for you. So in this instance, we reminded to keep each tweet concise and under 28 characters, which is the one we put, I think, the uh, specifics. Please ensure all tweets are written in positive and encouraging tone, which is also the specifics. If unsure about the hashtag or the on the side of caution and don't include it. So what that does is like when there's a hashtag that he wants to put, but he's unsure about it, he just put it on the side and just doesn't include it. Which is a note you can put or a new command you can put in the notes section, which is very common to do. So in the placeholder, you put a reminder one, reminder two, reminder three, I don't know, 5 reminders, and then you put command one, command two, doesn't matter. Now we need to markdown formatting. So structure your prompt using markdown headings. I'm gonna give you an example about it just right now. Just give me a second to enhance readability for both you and the LLM. While there's no uh, research on its direct impact, markdown formatting provides a clear structure while may improve the LLM's understanding. So for example, use header one heading as this hashtag and put the heading you want for the main components as a role has specific context and examples and notes, which are the 6 structures we've talked about, and put the user header 2 and header 3 as 2 hashtags for subheading and 3 hashtags for subheading for the subheading to break down sections further like within the context or examples. And this is additional consideration or additional tips I can give you to get better results. So for the context length and cost for high volume tasks, keep the prompt concise and minimize tokens usage and cost. So this is so always try to simplify your words. You don't have to use very complex words. This is better for the usage and the cost of the LLM. Choose a model, start with the cheapest and fastest model that meets your requirements. If you don't require a model that is very complex, you don't actually need to use it. You can just go with this simpler and cheaper model. Use temperature of 0 for tasks requiring consistent output. For creative tasks, experiment with higher temperatures to from 0 0.5 to 1. So if you don't actually need any creativeness in your output, you just then put the temperature to 0. But if you actually need creative output, you can experiment with 0 to 1. Positive reinforcements. This is actually very essential. This is actually very good and gives you so much good results out of a very small reinforcement. So frame instructions and feedback positively. Uh, and lastly, consider assigning a persona to the role, particularly someone known for expertise in a relevant field. So, for example, but I don't know, dancer Michael Jackson. I don't know. Uh, we can use Alex Timosi as a business advisor and so on. So we can actually put characters. By implementing these techniques and tailoring them to your specific needs, you can significantly enhance the quality and effectiveness of your LLM interactions. So I put a simplified prompt template. So this is for you to just remind you of what you should exactly do to get back to, and then write a prompt that actually gets you the results you want. Thank you for watching. It's been really fun teaching you guys this stuff because it helped me, and I'm sure it's gonna help you as well.